Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn recursion. A recursion is a technique of making a function call another function itself. The technique provides a way to break up complicated problems down into a simple problem, which are the easier to solve. So recursion may be a bit of difficult to understand. The best way to figure out how to work in an experiment with it. So let's see, adding two numbers together easy to do, but adding the range of the numbers more complicated. In the example of a recursion, very simply I'm going to doing by like a sum function only. So let's see here with the written keyword we are going to doing like int sum of like some variable like int k I'm going to choosing. Now here is a function. When I'm trying to calling this particular function, what we will do like int su like a result sult that equal to sum I'm going to calling with the number 10 or 20, whatever the number you want to call, and see out to be present in the output like result. Yes, the result would be printed in the output. Now when I call the 10 like number is going to be assigning this value to integer k as a parameter. This is the value as an argument. Now you see here, if like if the way like k, if the k is greater than 0, then it will be initiated, then it will be start executing, otherwise it won't enter straight away. It will go to the else part and return 0. Now it will be terminate the program. The result will be get the outside. Now if it is about to above 0, what happens? Like see, RUTURN return k small letter, k plus. Now again I'm calling the same function with k minus 1. I'm reducing a k value with minus 1. See, this function is calling same function repeatedly. Inside a function is building, a function is calling itself, will called as recursion. To making a reducing of the number, how to like reducing, if you want to make it see out, you can check the see out printing and all of every step. Then you will get a very clear understanding how it is going to be implemented, this particular program. Alright, now run the program, save and run the program. Yeah, total value of 55. The result set 55, it is approaching. How the result set like 55 is reaching? For this, you just check that first it will be like a k value is 10, about to 0 like above number only, no greater than, so it will be entering inside the block. Then here 10 plus like a sum, again the 10 minus 1 means like a 10 plus 9 it is going to be added, and 9 it will be reduced minus 1, again itself inside only it will be called, and finally we are going to knowing a conclusion of recursion. So if you want to make it a small things from the out of the big problem, yes, you can call the different type of inside functionalities to like eliminate and reduce the problem statement. Ultimately, you will get the problem solution whenever you require, will be called as recursion. I hope it's a super easy lecture. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.